We have our new Amethyst CRC practice exam. It's now available. So for just about every credential that we teach, we have practice exams that are free. Feel free to go in and look at that on the CCO website, but we also have paid practice exams. If you're getting ready to test, you need to take as many practice exams as you can get your hands on, and they're not always easy to find. We're very proud of ours. We work hard and we have fabulous rationales for them. Some of you that have been with us for a while, you remember our Ruth, who did amazing exam test question writing, very detailed. And so her exams that she wrote have been updated, and we have some additional ones now that Debbie is working on, who is one of our first interns. So the CRC practice exam, we $29.95, and we also have, I think, the Cornelian. I think that we always do them after stones. So, again, so if you want to do that, that's the website with CRC-practice-exam. Take advantage of those. New CPT Review Blitz at a lower cost. We are so excited to tell you for $179, you can now get the CPT Blitz. Again, if you need that, the link is on the bottom here. And what that really is geared to do is help you pass the exam the first time. If you take the CPC exam and you take it through the AAPC, they give you a free retake, but don't worry about that, because if you take the CPT Blitz review, you'll probably pass it the first time. That's what you're going for.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.